Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to download and install custom content for Sims 4. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, find reliable CC websites. There are numerous websites where you can find custom content for The Sims 4. Some popular ones include The Sims Resource, Mod The Sims, and Tumblr blogs dedicated to Sims 4CC. Make sure to use reputable and trustworthy websites to avoid downloading any harmful content. Download the CC files. Browse the website of your choice and find the custom content you want to download. CC files usually come in that package or zip formats. Click on the download link for the CC you want, and the file will be saved to your computer. Now, extract the zip files if applicable. If you downloaded a zip file, you will need to extract its contents. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract or Extract All. This will create a folder containing the package files. Next, locate your Sims 4 mods folder. Open File Explorer or Finder and navigate to the Sims 4 installation directory. The default path for the mod folder is as follows. So here, I'm sorry, but for the Windows, I forgot to put it right here, but for if you're using Windows, so go to Documents, find Electronic Arts, then The Sims 4, and then Mods, okay? And now if you're using Mac, go to Documents, find Electronic Arts, then select The Sims 4, then Mods. If you can find a mods folder, you can create one manually. So, and that and to do it, what you need to do is to copy that package files to the mods folder. Copy the package files from the downloaded folder and paste them into the mods folder you located in the previous step. Enable the custom content in the game. Launch The Sims 4. In the main menu, click on the Options menu, which is the three little dots, and select Game Options. Go to the Other tab and make sure the Enable Custom Content and Mods option is checked. You will need to restart the game for the changes to take effect. And lastly, verify the installed custom content. Once the game has started, click on the Create a Sim option or go to Build mode. Look for the custom content you installed. Custom content will have small star icon next to it in the catalog. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed custom content for The Sims 4. Remember that using custom content can sometimes cause conflicts or issues in the game. Be mindful of what you download, and if you encounter any problems, try removing the CC to see if it resolves the issue. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!